What's up, you guys? This is a review of the Colorfullife Core 200S replacement filter that is compatible with Lavoy. Their air purifier we absolutely love. It works so freaking good. And I wanted to show you, we were just in the transition of moving and we bought a new house and everything like that. It is a foreclosure. There is tons of dust and dirt in this house, and I just wanted to show you how great this works, do the unboxing for the new filters, and show you just what a remarkable job that it does. So here I have the clean air filters. As you can see, they're pristine, clear, white as they should be. And then we did this a little bit longer since we were in the process of moving, of course. So this is tons of dirt, but this just goes to show you how freaking well this system works. This is the dirty one. So a side by side, you can see the right side is completely filled and clogged with so much dirt and dust and all the stuff that is not good for you, that makes your allergies worse and all of that stuff. But these air filters work really well. This is the replacement one that I have just put inside. Cleans it all up, put the new one in so it can continue to do an amazing job. So if you are looking for a really good filter to do the job, go ahead and replace it and get a good one going. This is definitely it.